Watch out.
Comment down below. Hey, Train, you got this.
Oh, watch out. Watch out.
Panic.
What do you see? That's lean cuisine. It's lower in fat. Would you like to try lean cuisine? All right. Go ahead and get one. What's up, Eliott family? It's 7 plus the Fire Squad. Make sure you like and subscribe. But why? Is it because this beautiful girl and because we coming with that fire content every single day? We're out here and Faith didn't want to wear shoes. She kept putting them on, she kept taking them off. And she can walk on rocks. That's how strong her feet is. I promise you, it doesn't hurt her. Because she'll literally walk on rocks and then I'll pull her hand. She'll go back on the rocks, pull her hand, and she'll just walk on rocks. Understand? And look at Kendrick. Kendrick took his shirt off. My gosh. And they're just sitting out here at our apartment complex just enjoying the weather. It's 80 degrees, but in the shade in Arizona, it's probably like 75, 76. It feels like in the 70s, mid 70s over here. But yeah, are you having a good time? Yeah, I just took him outside to enjoy some of the outside weather today. Come on, baby. Oh, let you go? Okay, boss. Okay. Look at her. Following right behind her brother. They are two. Nope, don't touch that. That is a cactus. Those are cactuses. You don't touch those, okay? Yeah, you don't touch cactuses. These all over Arizona right here. Yeah. Did you have fun outside? Yeah, they play for a little bit. You know, get them some air, you know? Following day. And as soon as we get in the car, Faith is like, go, Dad, go. She's like, you're taking too long. Yes, you have a baby shark shirt. Work it. And then Cash is here. Say hi, Cash. Handsome boy he is. And beautiful girl. Yeah, so we're just running out. We're going to run over to Walmart, get a few things. Day in the life. Come on, let's go. So cute. Cash dropped this money and Faith helped pick it up. Thank you, Faith. Did you say thank you to Faith?
Thank you.
She said you're welcome. Oh no. We're in the street, y'all. Hurry up. Stop dropping your money, buddy. Move. Watch out. There's cars backing up. Cash is the type of person that likes to keep his change in his wallet. If you even do that, at least keep your wallet in your pocket. He likes to carry his wallet. I'm like, okay. Right, so we're gonna get us some ingredients to make some Alfredo today. I'm making Alfredo from scratch. You see the puppy? Look. Oh, she loves that. Faith just said she wants apples, so let me see what type of apples. This is Amberosa. These are super sweet, sweet as honey, so we'll get these. And they're $4.97. Apples, I know. Hold on to your apples. We gotta wait till we leave. We gotta pay for it so you can eat some. So for my Alfredo, I'm gonna get some fresh garlic. Well, fresh as I can get. Fresh for weeks, it says. And it is $3.98. It'll last a while. Donuts? We ain't getting no donuts. She wants donuts. All right, so I'm using grated Parmesan and I'm gonna use fresh Parmesan. So I'm gonna get some of this freshly shredded Parm. And it is $2.54 here at Walmart. So also, Cash, we need some whipping cream for our Alfredo. Walmart has the Walmart brand and it is $4.14.
Okay, let's get some whipping cream.
You want whipped cream? Popsicle. No, you got apples. Get us some milk too, Cash. Yeah. There you go. Get one more. Thank you for helping, man. Good job. Also need butter. Get salted. It's $2.98. Go ahead, put the butter down there. She eats butter, y'all. I catch her eating butter all the time. I'm like, get off the butter. Yeah, you do that. Cereal. You're smart. Yeah, there's cereal. What are you looking for? It's your money, man. You don't have enough for a Fortnite card. All right, and Mom loves Simply Lemonade, the limeade. She likes the lime, so I'm gonna get that. It's $2.34. Grab one. I love coming in Walmart early, huh, Cash? Because it's not too busy in here. It's not that many people in right now. That's why I like being here at this time. It's like 9:40. I'm getting these dinner ingredients really early. We need fettuccine Alfredo noodles, so we're gonna get some of those. Where are they? You're gonna buy all the popsicles, they're gonna be all gone? I bet, that's true. Here's some fettuccine. So let's get two of them. They're $1.08. What'd you say? You know what? This is a better brand of fettuccine. It's made by Barillo. It costs like 30 cents more. It's like $1.45. So, but I'm gonna get it. Oh, Cash, you got popsicles? You're gonna pay? Oh yeah, I do owe you one thing, so I guess that's what you got. Yes, popsicles. My question is, are you gonna share with your brothers and sisters all those popsicles? Since I'm buying it, you gotta at least share. Okay?
But Oma.
Deshaun's gonna eat it all? Well, we'll see. Oh, look at this fruit. Fruit cups. You want a fruit cup?
Yeah.
Let's get you some fruit. Let's see, mandarin oranges. I know you like those. I'll get these mandarin oranges. They're only 98 cents. And it has the pop off top. I like that. Yeah, we got you some healthy snacks. Cash, anything else we need?
Have you had mashed potatoes?
Mashed potatoes? We don't need mashed potatoes, my friend. Cash, what do you see? That's lean cuisine. It's lower in fat. Would you like to try lean cuisine? All right, go ahead and get one. And he's gonna get that. It's not cheap, $2.48, but hey, it's a little meal for lunch for him. Wow, they have a new brand from Screamin' Sicilian. Came out with a chicken, bacon, and ranch pizza, and it's thin crust. It's $5.98. I will be trying this. We have pizza. Yeah. She wants that pizza. So we got a few things. Faith has an apple. She's so happy. She wanted the apples. Can I play? That's a good apple. Cash got one. Spent his allowance. But yeah, y'all. Oh, we just got a desk delivered. And what? Look how huge this is. Where are we gonna put this in our apartment? Where? In your house? He said in his house. Y'all, and they even left the pallet. What am I gonna do?
I know, push it.
How I'm gonna push it? This looks like it weighs over 300, 500 pounds. Let me see. Let me see if I can move it. Nope. Nope, I cannot move it. I know, Kendrick. Anything that's on a pallet is extremely heavy. So, yeah, we're in trouble.
Faith, what's wrong? What's wrong, Faith? She don't feel good. A-Train is having to do all the lifting on this. This is from the pallet that he showed y'all. Okay, so this is how this is looking. He said that piece is over 200 pounds. A-Train is not happy right now. I can't help him because I have a hernia. Watch out, guys. Watch out. Kendrick, watch out.
I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Watch out.
Comment down below. A-Train, you got this.
Oh, watch out. Watch out.
Kendrick. Oh.
Dude, that's over 200 pounds.
I'll hold this.
It won't fit through the door. Yeah, this is a 3-man job, guaranteed. You know what? It won't fit on there. It'll be too high up. So
you want me to help you?
no, we gotta hurry here. No. I'm just gonna work it.
He's gonna work it in, y'all.
Yeah, it ain't 200. This is more than that.
Hi, Faye. Outfit of the day, wearing your hair natural. Work it. Work it. Come on, Kendrick. Sit in there. Alright, so it's coming along.
Y'all stay out the way, because if I fall with this, y'all.
Palette, and he put piece by piece. This is the last piece, and he said it's over 300 pounds.
Easily.
Easily over 300. He had to kind of work it in the house. Just take the pictures down. Alright, he got it in here. That was your workout of the day. He ain't happy right now, y'all. But he got it in here.
So this is the Alfredo ingredients from the haul. It's not that thick right now. So what I did, since baby Faith was really hungry, I took some out to cool down. and the rest is thickening up right now. And give Kendrick some, they are starving. But yeah, made the Alfredo. And as well, I have bacon wrapped chicken stuffed with Fontana cheese and spinach. And right here is the Alfredo. I'm gonna add some spinach to this as well for a filler. Looks like you enjoyed your Alfredo a little bit too much today, Faye.
Obviously.
Girl, you looked like you went to war. Looked like you went to Olive Garden, went in the kitchen and ran out with your hands full. I'm just saying, goodness gracious. Leah's the main reason why I made this.
I've been begging them for months.
Cash, I made you a plate too.
It's so hot.
Just try a taste of it first. Whoa, I didn't say burn yourself. I just said try a taste.
I can't taste it because my taste buds just got burned.
Girl.
It's super good.
What?
I thought you said you couldn't taste it.
I can't taste it now. Like, it's like, my taste buds.
Is it good or not? That's all I need to know.
It's good. I tried Faith's.
Yeah, Fave's is watery. Hers wasn't. Yeah, I took it out early.
It's thickening up a little bit.
Yeah, it is. What do you got, baby?